Hello. In this video, I will review the sequence break indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us to predict when the price will break out of the compression, when it is in a tight area, and to understand the direction in which the price will break out of the compression. This indicator consists of a green cross line, and here you can see that when this cross
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
has values below the attribute, it indicates a downtrend. And when it has values above the attribute, it indicates an uptrend. And this indicator also has a series of histograms. And if these histograms have values below 0, it indicates that we have no breakout and are in a range or price compression mode. Low values of these histograms also indicate that we do not have a trend. And high values of these histograms indicate that there is a trend. For example, if I reach this point, you will see that here the histograms change sign from negative to positive, and our trend line is also in positive, meaning the Saudi trend. And here we can enter a long or buy trade. And here in this part, which can be here and here, when we see that the trend has weakened, we can exit the trade. A series of data is also displayed for us in this corner, including the daily ATR, today's range, and indicators like ADX, RSI, MACD, and stochastic. It also reviews the settings of this indicator. The first option in the settings of this indicator relates to the Bollinger Band settings, where we can specify the Bollinger Band's period and its deviation. The next two options are related to the Keltner indicator, where we can specify its period, price, and range. The more of these substances we put in, the later it will detect the exit from compression. The less of these substances we put in, the faster it will detect the exit from compression, but it may have more false signals. We need to strike a balance between these two states. The next option is the momentum indicator, which we can enter here. If the next option is true, when the histograms go from negative to positive, it gives us a buy signal, like if the trend line, i.e. the green line, is above the line, it gives a buy signal, and if it is below the line, it gives a sell signal, with the next option, if true, displays the data displayed on the screen in the same way. And the last option is for the number of candles in the past that the calculations are based on. Now let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In conclusion, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, feel free to share them with us in the comment section so we can help improve the indicators.